Ruth Kadiri's journey into the vibrant world of Nollywood, the Nigerian film industry, is a captivating tale of passion, talent and perseverance. Born on March 24, 1988 in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, Ruth was raised in a loving family that instilled in her the values of hard work and determination from an early age. Growing up, Ruth Kadiri displayed a natural flair for storytelling, often immersing herself in books and movies, which ignited her passion for acting and writing. Her family, recognizing her potential, encouraged her to pursue her dreams wholeheartedly. Ruth's educational background laid a solid foundation for her future endeavors. She attended the University of Lagos, where she studied mass communication, honing her communication skills and deepening her understanding of the media landscape. This educational journey equipped her with the tools necessary to navigate the competitive world of entertainment. Ruth Kadiri's rise to fame in Nollywood was marked by her talent, dedication, and sheer determination to succeed. She made her acting debut in the movie Boys Caught in 2007, where she delivered a standout performance that caught the attention of audiences and industry insiders alike. From there, Ruth's star began to rise steadily as she continued to impress with her acting prowess in subsequent films. One of her breakout roles came in the movie Mad Sex, where she portrayed the character Tiga, showcasing her versatility and range as an actress. Ruth's ability to bring depth and authenticity to her characters quickly earned her a reputation as one of Nollywood's most promising talents. As her career gained momentum, Ruth Kadiri ventured into screenwriting and film production, further cementing her status as a multifaceted force in the industry. She penned scripts for several successful films, demonstrating her storytelling prowess and creative vision. In 2015, Ruth received widespread acclaim for her performance in the movie Matters Arising, which earned her a nomination for Best Actress in a leading role at the Africa Movie Academy Awards, AMAA. This recognition solidified her position as one of Nollywood's leading actresses and paved the way for more opportunities to showcase her talent on the international stage. Throughout her career, Ruth Kadiri has starred in numerous box office hits that have captivated audiences both at home and abroad. Films such as Over the Edge, Memory Lane and Somebody Lied have not only showcased her acting skills, but also contributed to the growth and popularity of Nollywood on the global stage. Despite her success, Ruth Kadiri has not been immune to controversy. In 2019, she found herself embroiled in a social media feud with fellow actress Cini over allegations of snubbing her at an event. However, Ruth's professionalism and grace under pressure ultimately helped diffuse the situation, allowing her to maintain her reputation as a respected figure in the industry. In addition to her acting accolades, Ruth Kadiri has also been recognized for her contributions to philanthropy and social causes. She has used her platform to advocate for women's rights and empowerment, using her voice to effect positive change in her community and beyond. In recognition of her outstanding achievements, Ruth Kadiri has received several awards and nominations throughout her career, including the Best Actress Award at the Nigerian Entertainment Awards and nominations at the Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Awards, AMVCA. As Ruth Kadiri continues to shine brightly in Nollywood and beyond, her inspiring journey serves as a testament to the power of talent, perseverance, and passion in achieving one's dreams. With each role she takes on and each story she tells, she continues to leave an indelible mark on the world of entertainment, inspiring countless others to follow in her footsteps.
The husband wakes up in the morning and takes his phone into